Hey guys, so for this video we're going to be unboxing the Best Buy exclusive steelbook for the 6-film collection of Alien. This comes with the Blu-ray and the digital. And those are all the 6 movies in the back. I don't think you can really see like the special features, but you can try and pause it. This one I got it on sale for, I think it was $29.99. It was a couple of days ago, but I think they're sold out at the moment. So yeah, this is all gonna be matte finish. There's no embossing anywhere. And then the back as well, no embossing, just matte finish. And there we have the spine. And then I believe all discs are going to be stacked inside of each other. Let's see, you have 1 disc, 2 discs. Sorry, it's kind of hard to do. 3 discs. Don't want to break it. Hold on. Yeah, that's what I don't like whenever there's like stacked up discs in there. 3 discs. Dang. 4 discs. Here's the 5th disc. Jeez. Sorry, guys. And then the 6th disc. And get that one out. And then you have the artwork on the back. And then there's the full steelbook. And then the artwork. So yeah guys, thanks for watching.